All right, One More Year Heating and Air. Got a unit. I've already been over here and just took a quick look at it. The compressor doesn't seem to be running, so we cut it off at the breaker. We're going to open it up and see what's happening with it. And being it's so hot and humid right now, we're going to use our sunbrella so we don't get too tan today. Comes in very handy. First thing we always do, check to make sure one leg is not hot. 0, 0. So we'll get there. We'll pull the hermetic. Should be a 35.5. We're reading a 34.9, which is right on the money. Let's check to see if the compressor is bad. We're going to out the compressor, which I'm pretty sure it's shut down. Let's open, and closed. Actually, that's not good.
So what did you do right there? You just check the windings?
The inside of the compressor has a overload built into it, and right now the overload is tripped. It shuts the compressor down, or we've got a issue with the compressor itself. Now we're going to pull the top and see what we got. Hold that right there. All right. All the wires are hooked up. The compressor is physically not hot. So what I'm determining is I think we've got an open winding condition in this compressor, which has gone bad. It's not unusual for this unit. It's about 18 years old. So we're probably looking at a unit replacement at this point.
Thank you guys for watching One More Year Heating and Air. Like and subscribe.